Island Heat Caribbean Show, APAC Radio. Keep it locked. From yard to the street. APAC Radio. Keep it locked.
Greetings, massive. Welcome to the Island Heat Show, where we bring you the best from yard to the streets. We are your hosts. I am Super Peck, and sitting in for Lady Lalabella tonight.
Yeah, man. It's King Rudy back in the building again. Glad to be here in the place to be. Island Heat Caribbean Show.
How you been, brother?
Everything has been very peaceful. Back at work and thing, the summer vibes, summer bunk's done.
So, Rudy's been so gracious and has done such a great job filling in for me when I'm not here. So it's my chance to say face to face in front of everybody, thank you, and I appreciate you always coming through and repping, and you do such a great job on the show.
Yo, give thanks. Give glory to God, too. And thank you for the opportunity to be able to come in and just kind of sit in here with my baby sister sometimes and just vibes out and play some music and talk about the things that's going on. And I just got to say big up to both of you all. The platform has been great, really great interviews over the past few weeks. So we'll just keep up the thing, man.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Well, as always, this episode is brought to you by our sponsors, APAP Media Group. APAP Media Group is a full-service creative video and photo production company specializing in podcasting, multi-camera recording, and live streaming. Their mission is to undertake creative challenges and prescribing and telling stories in visually compelling ways for individuals, corporations, so that they can achieve their prescribed or pre-prescribed objective. You can contact the APAP Media Group at info@apapmedia.com. We say thank you to APAP Media Group each and every time.
I mean, so if you like what you see and if you love what you hear, contact APAP Media, you all. Right here on Island Heat, this is the place where we feature Caribbean music, culture, and all different types of topics and talk all the things that are going on in the diaspora. So just hold on to your seat because we're about to dive into some of the themes for today's show as we reach out into the final quarter of 2023. Cannot believe we reached that far.
Time is flying, man. Time is flying.
97 days, Peck, left. Remaining of the year. So if you didn't meet your quota, if you didn't reach that goal, you got 97 days.
that New Year's resolution.
That resolution that you talked about 200 something odd days ago. Yeah. And in fact, today is actually the anniversary of a couple of unfortunate things that are going on in the world too. You want to know about them?
Yeah. What does today mark in the Caribbean history?
Oh my goodness! In the year of 1493. Christopher Colombo set sail from Cadiz, Spain, with a flotilla of 17 ships on his second voyage to the Western Hemisphere.
Yeah. Boy, I tell you, you couldn't find a good iceberg or something.
Him reach one time and then let him reach again. That's what you let him forward again.
Christopher Columbus, yeah.
So that's one thing that happened on this date in history. But also in the year 1963, the Dominican Army overthrew the government of President Juan de Bosch, yes, in 1963. That was 7 months after the country's first democratic elections. Neither one is really worth celebrating.
Yeah.
But they happened, and we like to talk the history. But also in 1981, Belize did join the United Nations, so, some of the good things that kind of did happen around this time.
Big up to Belize. We're celebrating, in the middle of celebrating Hispanic American History Month or Latin American History Month.
Yes, which is this half-month thing. I guess they steal a couple of still a few days here, still a few days there, but it's good. It's good.
It falls over a majority of Latin Americans' Independence Days, and so that's why they designed it like that between over the 2 months to make sure they captured most of those countries that all kind of had their similar rebellions and uprising and independence around the same time.
That's why Black History need to be February and March too. We can steal some of March too.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
You go.
Nice.
So in more modern times, on the date, we had the release of American rapper Snoop Dogg, a.k.a. Snoop Lion, he released his reggae album, which on September 25th on 2013 spent 34 weeks on the #1 Billboard reggae albums chart. And
There's a lot of hate. I remember that. The Grammy hate was real. The Grammy hate was real.
It took a little getting used to the idea, you know. And the thing was, initially when I heard of it, I thought, okay, culture vulture. Yeah, just oh yeah, this reggae thing, like I can do that. I can, and then so, but what I got to find out was that no, he really took some time and did his research, and he worked and collabed with those. He wanted to do a real representation for his version of reggae, and so I salute any authentic artistic endeavor.
Yes, and he was dipping one foot in, one foot out. But I learned something seeing that documentary. At first, it did seem like it was a ganja joke. Here I am, the ganja man from the U.S. coming down to meet with the ganja man them from Jamaica. That's why I'm related to Bob Marley type of vibe. But he dug
Bob Marley reincarnated
through one good hit off of the chalice. But he dug deep. He talked to Bunny Wailer. He got into the Garrison. He gave back to the community with the community gardens that he was trying to work on down there. So he was making some good efforts. And as a Snoop Dogg fan to some degree, I was happy to kind of see him leaning towards that his inner Rasta. You know what I mean?
Yeah. He collabed with Popcorn, Drake, Akon, Busta Rhymes, Chris Brown, Movado, Mr. Vegas, Collie-Bud, and others on that project.
His daughter and him have one of the baddest tunes on that album. His own daughter. So it's definitely has some classics on it. Snoop is on it. You know what I mean? Like you said, all these other great people. So
you know what? You did say it was an album that you really rated. I can't say that I've taken in the whole album.
Oh, Vegas! There's some tune on that album.
Well, others I may not have, but others definitely have.
Yeah.
Because it sold 21,000 units in the first week of release. Reggae music isn't doing that nowadays, folks. Reggae music is not doing that nowadays. We just had Beanie drop an album, Butcher drop. We've had reggae music is not doing that nowadays.
No. And they had Major Lazer. He was in the documentary, and he did do some producing on that, along with Super Dupes. Dwayne Super Dupes, Chin Kui, and Dre Skull, all on that album. So there's some rhythms on that album. It's good production.
Yeah. Sold 200,000 units globally to date, and was nominated for Best Reggae Album at the 56th Annual Grammy Awards.
Yeah.
If he won, it might have been some problems.
It was some problem. It was problems because even before the Grammys, I can remember the time because I had the DVD. I did have that DVD. But as the Grammy approached, that's when all these problems kicked off between him and Bunny Wailer. It was so many people that just were kind of switched on him.
Right.
You know what I mean? But it was good that he put a foot in there and he brought some attention also to the Reggae Grammy as well.
It's been 10 years. Is there going to be a follow-up?
I think he learned his lesson. Yo.
I mean, the album is still streaming. It's still doing this thing,
And that's the lesson that Snoop learned. He's a marketing genius. So, whether it's vulturing or not, he's running the label right now for Death Row label. He's a marketing genius. He knows how to keep his music in people's ears.
Hey, salute to Snoop Dogg, Snoop Lion, each and every time. Also, this week in Billboard Reggae charts, Bob Marley and the Wailers are on top for the 192nd consecutive week with the Legend album. And Shaggy's Best of Shaggy, the Bombastic collection, remains in the number 2nd position, with Sean Paul's Dutty Classics collection itching up to number 3. And at 4, Sean Paul's Grammy-winning Dutty Rock zooms up from 9. So
what?
Sean Paul, Shaggy, and Bob Marley dominate the top reggae albums.
You know who's missing?
Who's missing?
Byron Messiah.
He hasn't dropped an album yet.
Hasn't dropped the album, but you think that he's in the category of some of these guys.
That EP, EPs get counted as albums.
Do.
So he does have the No Love project is out.
Yes,
so that was released before the big hit. So
he said some things like he should. He has the biggest hit.
He said
in the past,
since
17 years or so.
Since 2005, he says he has the biggest dance hall hit. Streaming
Look
wise.
at these albums. When you talk about hits,
the numbers don't add up. The numbers don't add up. I'm just saying, the numbers don't add up. He may one day it can continue to do its due. But it's not there right now.
No, it's not.
That's all I'm saying.
Big up Bob, big up Shaggy, big up Sean Dutty Paul.
Yeah, man.
That legend been on that top.
I don't know, so this is Vibing and you're listening to the Island Eat Show on A-Pop Radio.
Legend been on top of the billboards as long as I can actually remember. I know we said 192 weeks, but that reggae, I just feel like it may drop off and then just jump right back on top again. That has to be what's going on.
I don't know who's come close to competing with it so far.
No.
But anyway, we're going to get into a little bit of music before we get any further into the program. All right, everybody, you are in tune right now to the Island Heat Show right here on APAP Radio. Super Peck alongside the man
King Rudy.
We are here. Keep it locked, folks.
Island Heat Show, a loyalty we are deal with. From them no really to go prove. Genuine friends no carry feelings. We just talk with mine and go through. We no mix up in them hypocrite dealings. Like some of them, we no want no heal from you, nah, you, nah, you, nah, you, nah, you.
Still play your card. Go tell them say loyalty me a deal with. From you no really to go prove. Genuine friends no carry feelings. Them just start them mind and go through. Them no mix up in a hypocrite dealings. Like some of them, we no want no heal from you, nah, you, nah, you, nah, you, nah, you. You better keep your heel and walk fast and go on with your bad mind too. Cause we no want no heal from you, nah, you, nah, you, nah, you, nah, you. Friend killer step on a landmine. Don't remember touch out. Them too much breadfruit. Enough of them twist up and turn. That not my concern. Loyal to the T, so me think firm. Now sell out me team, everything confirm. I saw me tan, keep me circle smaller. Protect me from the wicked, them almighty father. Because friends like them we no need. Cut them off, said speed. No one no heal from you, nor you, nor you, nor you, nor you. You better keep your heel and walk fast and go on with your bad mind crew. Cause we no want no heal from you, nor you, nor you, nor you, nor you. Friend killer step on the landmine.
It's the voice of the man himself, Raz Fraser Jr. That one entitled Talk Truth. King Rudy, what do you think about that one?
Yeah, man, the tune I'm going with some vibes. Big up yourself, Bubba Jr. Big up yourself.
Now, last week we premiered this next one on the program. Brand new from an artist that is tearing up Trinidad and Tobago right now. He hails from Tobago. Definitely Tobago's #1 find. I'm calling it. I'm telling you.
Yeah?
He goes by the name of Anami. And right now, listen up. He's talking to you about success and the enemies it breeds.
Them a fight me, stay silent and I make it out. Yo, Jula, work and I make it out. Wingman.
Molly coming at you. Success breeds enemies. Let's go.
Did it up them want me fall. Hammer. But a jaw will have this all. I'm a success. I'm mad them on a bro. See me I say. Father God, them bad mind. And them want me for fall from long time. And I know them a pre man a long time. No truly know God, me no know.
From young to the streets.
The blessings a flow, this a my time. Me grow big, me no change, me a the same Kyle. Hey boy, if you know me no your child. Trouble the growth of torment and destroy. I would them G-side. Them a fight me, but me silence just a pressure them. Me sin already and it easy for sin again. But me not make them boy, they make me get a problem. Right now me dep on elevator and the boy them now start build fed. Me now I go jail, me now I go courthouse again. Right now man a pre-inheritance. Fi me pitney them. Yeah. Success breed enemy. Man I roll so low, me a one man army. Me no own none of them, no apology. KG, just avoid them if they don't like we. We never stoop low for clothes or Nike. You mad? Banger than the boy, them want me fall. But a jaw will have this all. One somebody want them. Them for know me a the general. And me love do things clinical. Want them. Real banger than one day. Alright, them the bad media.
Anami, yo. Anami. Success breeds enemies.
Banger Dan.
Coming out of Tobago, y'all. Big up to everybody from Tobago. Trinidad always gets to, the people say big up Chini and forget Tobago, Big up to the Tobago.
How you mean, man? How you mean?
Hey, we're going to keep the new music going, all right? We're going to keep the music flowing. He goes by the name of Leny.
Yeah.
Leny has a new album out right now.
Yeah, Leny are gone.
This album features several artists. This is him alongside Naomi Cohen. Listen, Naomi is showing up everywhere, y'all.
Yeah.
Naomi is having a big 2023. She's going to have a big fourth quarter as well. Yeah, we're counting down the last 97 days of the year.
Oh, boy.
And right now, Leny and Naomi Cohen are going to take control.
Let's go.
Never have to love me so right. You never have to make me feel nice. You never have to humble me pride. You never have to take one stripes. I want you to increase my height. I want you to silence my nights. I want you to cancel your flight. I want you to inside tonight. Not everybody can control me. Love when you take the lead and show me. So what you want? Them know the order.
Island heat.
You put it on me.
For the streets.
You never have to love me so right. You never have to make me feel nice. You never have to humble me pride. You never have to take one stripes. I want you to increase my height. I want you to silence my nights. I want you to cancel your flight. I want you to inside tonight. Not everybody can control me. Love when you take the lead and show me. You should get to know me slowly, 'cause not everybody can control me. You know the way of my body, easy now, you put it on me. Finally, I find a way to ride your wave. So what you want to pretty face, can't find my ways. The type you like, around up and need the other ones. For no other plan, when time is rich, them know the other. Control me. Love when you take the lead and show me. You should get to know me slowly, 'cause not everybody can control. Drop your waistline when you hear that bassline. Drop your waistline when you hear that bassline. Drop your waistline when you hear that bass.
To the streets.
Drop your waistline when you hear that bassline. Drop your waistline when you hear that bassline. Drop your waistline when you hear that bass. You know that thing that I like. Next time I do it, I'ma need more time. Next time I do it, dig it like gold mine. Let me lose my mind. Drop it off for me. Cock it up, grip me while I twist my spine. Drop it off for me. Must be UPS the way you drop off this sex for me. Click, clack, boom, when you kill it, that's a casualty. Take it there, send me over. Baby, talk to me reckless. Grip from your hands like a necklace. Got a hold on tray, you wanna taste. It's too good for you to think straight. Oh, drop your waistline when you hear that bassline. Drop your waistline when you hear that bassline. Drop your waistline when you hear that bassline. Drop your waistline when you hear that bass. Drop your waistline when you hear that bassline. Drop your waistline when you hear that bassline. Drop your waistline when you hear that bassline.
That's new music from Shensia, y'all.
Oi, oi.
The waistline. Now, there's a waistline visualizer on YouTube.
I've been watching it. My guilty pleasure. Yo, Sensei, big up yourself, yo. Big up yourself, yo.
It's kind of AI, isn't it? It's kind of it's animated. It's kind of so I was like, how much is that really Shensia or not? Because it's like you see a whole lot, but you really don't see a whole lot at the same time. Yeah.
No, Shensia, big up yourself.
Yeah.
Because she been having fun.
That's how you do a visualizer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She been having fun, and she bad with it. She lyrically bad with it, yo. So that's all I'm gonna say. I'm a fan. Guilty pleasure. Big up yourself.
Shout outs to the young starlet doing her thing. now, we just had some legends in the dance hall game.
Yeah.
Just collabed on a new project, y'all.
Yeah. Brought some heat to the streets. Heat from the streets, yo.
Tell the people what's going on.
Wow. If you've been under a rock, then you missed out. Go to your YouTube, go where you have to go. But Bounty Killer, Cham, and Dave Kelly went to the Bahamas for 1 month to make a new EP. And they let us in, everyone. Dancehall champions Bounty Killer, Dave Kelly, and Cham are giving fans an inside look into the life inside of the Bahamas, where they spent 1 month curating their newly released EP called Time Bomb. So go check that out. It's out, y'all. After years of fans calling for a joint project between the two by DJ them, since their 1990 hit Another Level, Kelly finally arranged for them to go, you could say off the grid, you could say just to go on a vacation, whatever the case, because they might not have money. They could have actually went to Antarctica and chilled for a month if they wanted to. But they went to the Bahamas. They were off the grid to focus on music. They said the primary reason for doing that was just to switch off from the chaos of everyday life, being on the hamster wheel, and just stop for a minute, just reconnect with each other, reconnect with nature, and make some music. The Madhouse record producer said in this new documentary. And the Madhouse record producer, you all, is Dave Kelly, for those who don't know.
The elusive Dave Kelly.
Yeah. Where has Dave Kelly? Can we find Dave Kelly? Yeah.
Well, he definitely surfaced for this one.
Yeah. So it goes on to say that Cham and Bounty first met in the mid-'90s at Arrow's recording studio in East Kingston. So all the sound man them and all the people who know something about Arrow Studio, that's where Bounty Killer and Cham first met in the mid-'90s. And at that time, Cham was a student, was still a schoolboy at Caliber High School. He was a proud fan of Bounty Killer's work and soon became his protege, as the Warlord was also drawn to his dedication and enthusiasm. From taking on the road together to Cham introducing Bounty to Dave Kelly in 1996, the artists developed a brotherhood that saw them being inseparable. So inseparable that they even bought the same cars and the same clothes during them time there. Yeah, so Cham introduces Killer to Dave Kelly. And a lot of people may not have known how that went, because Killer was in the business.
Right.
Shams was the no name, you know what I'm saying, was the up-and-coming new youth. And here he is introducing Killer to the person who almost single-handedly was in control of dancehall during that time.
In the whole 90s. Yeah. Pretty much.
Became a little war between Shock and Vibes and the Madhouse crew, but Beanie was always on Madhouse stuff. You know what I'm saying? So it was an interesting time, but Madhouse was doing their thing at that time. Their brotherhood did suffer a falling out in the early 2000s. They didn't dig too deep into that in the video, but they did discuss it. But the two later would reconcile and have finally granted fans their long-standing wish for a joint project. Whenever Bounty Killer and Baby Cham and Dave Kelly link up, it's always some musical magic that comes out, so that's what we expect coming out of this, nothing less. That is what the Killer said. And Kelly added, we drink, we laugh, we run joke, we ride bicycle, we go beach. We're just having fun and making it flow organically and natural like it used to. So Time Bomb, like I said, go check that out. Features 7 tracks, including a very intoxicating and wicked piece of tune called Slow Motion featuring Dexter Daps.
Big song. You've heard it several times here on the program.
Yeah. Yep. So
you know what? Let's get them a little taste of another song of that brand new EP. This is Madhouse Records, Dave Kelly production with Bounty Killer, Baby Cham, and special guest Idris Elba, y'all. This one's called Bad Man Ting.
Idris,
Bad Man Ting.
Killer.
A bad man thing.
Island heat, from yard to the streets.
When real bad man walk in, fake bad man get real exposed. Dave Kelly murder them. I keep on the intro.
Idris, Cham, Killer.
A bad man thing.
There's a compulsory Idris Elba forward. In
you gotta get that. It was like an intro verse.
I heard all the ladies just go, Idris! yeah. Let's give that one more time from top, y'all.
When real bad man walk in, fake bad man get real exposed. They kill him, murder them. I heap on the intro. Me and them not fam. You and them is fam. Boy, they can't talk to me again. From me make a movie with Killer and Cham. Action.
When we step on street, we not show them teeth. Money enough man a eat. Hot gal they a man feed. Pump off fist as a bad man greet. We no hug, we no kiss, we no do it. We do our thing need. We no shape boy and when we meet.
A bad man thing. Yeah, bad man thing. How the flavor we bring. Make the gal them sing. A bad man thing. Yeah, bad man thing. We a live like king. That mean we a win. Me protect my own. Me not trust cell phone. Silent heavy ringtone. Black eye number we unknown. Straight face can't come on my own. You don't know. No, me protect my dome. Can't violate my zone. What you think, man a fling rock stone? Nah, a bad man thing. Yeah, bad man thing. How the flavor we bring. Let the girl them sing.
It's the voice of Idris, Elba, Bounty Killer, Baby Cham, y'all.
Wow.
Badman thing.
That mean we are win.
Me no show them teeth. Me no joke, me delete. Them no fear, them a keep. Them loyalty no concrete.
As a bad man do it. The latest thing them will be.
King Rudy, what you think about that one, brother? What you think about that one?
Dave Kelly is back. I love that rhythm there. Big up Big Driz. It just Elba did his thing. Cham and Killer just kind of chilling.
Yeah.
Bad man.
The EP is 7 tracks long.
Swing.
We know the slow motion. We got the bad man thing. Y'all go check it out, y'all. Go check it out and give us some feedback. Tell us what you think. All right, make sure you go on in the comments and let us know what you think about that song. Yeah. Shout out to everybody in the chat room. Ras Fraser Jr. Yeah. Lady Lalibella is in the chat room. Big up each and every time. K-Stan, big up. Leslie, big up. Everybody who's got it locked in and listening right now. Blakey P, large up yourself each and every time, y'all. Hey, let's keep the heat going. Let's keep the heat going.
Yeah. You gonna give them another one off the album or?
No. This one's different, y'all.
Okay.
It's a bad man thing. So we're gonna make it get better right now.
Oh.
Yeah. We're not doing the squatty. No, we're not work with Sarge.
Oh boy.
No. We're not work with no lieutenant neither. Yeah. Excuse me. Lieutenant. Yeah.
With a Lou, well, yeah.
Yeah. Is it generals? Yeah. Bada General. Tinker.
Bada. What's your flavor here? My style like the East Coast, South and North, Suburban, Arcs West. And him would tell you, say, Bada Jenna are the best. Step up my game to a next level. Have everybody a salute, I'm in a name Rebel. Them say my styles, them are emphatic. Words that spit out about them out like automatic. Yeah, and everything clear, you know you're no static. Me above the cloud, them the right up in the attic. Yeah, from me enter in the game, we don't see the pre.
I got some comments.
Whoa.
Oh, the Cham, the Killer, the bad man thing. Yeah. I'm getting some crazy responses here.
We get some top 10. What do we get?
Flames blowing up the phone. They got Flames. Boy, I tell you. Yeah.
That's right, y'all.
Bad road. Bada General. Let's go again.
Bada. What's your flavor here? My style like the East Coast, South and North, Suburban, Arcs West. And him would tell you, say, Bada Jenna are the best. Step up my game to a next level. Have everybody a salute, I'm in a name Rebel.
Just text us
my style are emphatic. Words that spit out about them out like automatic. Yeah, and everything clear, you know you're no static. Me above the cloud, them the right up in the attic. Yeah, from me enter in the game, we don't see the pre. Them say me sound like style, on me say Mama G. Yeah. You know, since we up on a mission, we don't have no time for fight, cause music and a competition. Tell them, me just glad for see a brother win. I'm gonna have a fight and bad man, cause that's our thing. She a fight against she, him a fight against him, them a fight against them. No, that ain't not my thing, but them for no sense. Badder than them, that Jenna badder than them, Send me badder than them. We no beg, we no beg friend. Badder than them, That Jenna better than them, better than them. Kenny better than them, better than them. We no beg, haha. Mother. Watch out one ya. Yeah, as a big man, you have to reason with your son them and your daughter and make them know straight, say, yeah, them are the future. Although the relationship with the mother done, every week I saw me reason with my son. What go on, my son?
Yeah, my day ain't a daddy.
Yeah, behave yourself.
Yes, you can ask, mommy.
Or your schoolwork I go on.
Daddy, you enough for ask to know I'm smart, brightest in the class.
Alright, my son, trust me, me like that. I'm a need for swing by, come drop off your knapsack.
I true daddy, cause I only have one strap. What do you me I run and it drop up from back?
Yes, son, me buy a new one. You not fi say nothing. You there by yourself though, me want ask you something.
Yes, daddy, you know me not afraid to tell you nothing. I'm a father, so me not get none of trouble.
Ah, my son, that me a talk about. Other than me, which man a come over the house?
Oh, I'm new uncle, come here more while.
Which uncle, when your mother is a only child?
Yeah, daddy, mommy say her name Uncle Ricky.
I know uncle that, them a trick you, but can't trick me. My meet her parents, them only have one pitney. If Ricky ever try for raise her hand and show you strap, just text me right away, I'm a dip on the spot.
No, daddy, Ricky never deal with me like that.
Yeah.
Only thing I love for ask, I want him to stop when he's forward.
What?
He love semi-gar shot.
Yeah, I say. Yeah, so my reason with my son. To find out how the yard a run and share with him knowledge and wisdom. You not gonna understand the band if you not have no son. Oi there! But I like what I go on in my country, dog.
What is that, King Rudy?
Yo, the bottom them mad.
yo, I played that one on Father's Day. I had to play that one for Father's Day on the program, you know. He talking the truth,
Talking
yo.
to you.
You gotta talk to the kids.
Full of style, yo. By the general, full of style.
Mommy's our only kid. We're uncle father.
But I like what I go on in my country, dog.
But the general.
For Jamaica, you know.
Dark again. Think
dark again. Not even car park, nobody can park again. I will nice pretty beach, nobody can walk again. Peer whispering, nobody can talk again. Or else the dogs, them back off of them. No damn no loody, every laughter end. Only funeral I keep with the pastor them. Every little you know want a back 10, cause that's the new trend. They have to ask ya, what kind of style that in the place? Body a pile up, blood a run like river Nile up in the place. The shot of them need for calm, cause the wild west just me not even wild like in our place. Jano, we not like that kind of style. We coffee our grades and we beach them a spoil it. And the bad reputation alone make Jamaicans afraid to go home. It's the influence of music, dog. Enough tourists me know right now, afraid of yard. Enough artists have them big tune right now and can't fly out, cause them the war we abroad. Cause every corner dark again. Not even car park, nobody can park again. And we nice pretty beach, nobody can walk again. Peer whispering, nobody can talk again. Or else the dogs, them back off of them. No damn me know no loody, every laughter end. Only funeral I keep with the pastor them. Every little you know want a back 10, cause that's the new trend. Oh, cha. Get a youth need for wise up, and every argument big gun need for rise up. Jamaican youth, open no eyes up and shut the unnecessary lies
Message
up.
in the music, yo. Message in the music.
Yeah.
Bada General.
Full of style, full of concepts. With a voice that everyone, once you hear it, you know say I'm the general.
Yo, you know.
Tuning but
Okay, when music is just a part of who you is.
Yeah.
No matter what it is in the music, you can do it and do it well.
Yeah.
That is what I believe. Yeah?
I agree.
Hey, boys and Bada General, one more time. Forward in. This one is dark again.
Yo, me I go fight for Jamaica, you know. Yo, every corner dark again. Not even car park, nobody can park again. I will nice pretty beach, nobody can walk again. Peer whispering, nobody can talk again. Or else the dogs, them back off of them. No damn me know no loody, every laughter end. Only funeral I keep with the pastor them. Every little you know want a back 10, cause that's the new trend. They have to ask ya, what kind of style that in the place? Body a pile up, blood a run like river Nile up in the place. The shot of them need for calm, cause the wild west just me not even wild like in our place. Jano, we not like that kind of style. We coffee our grades and we beach them a spoil it. And the bad reputation alone make Jamaicans afraid to go home. It's the influence of music, dog. Enough tourists me know right now, afraid of yard. Enough artists have them big tune right now and can't fly out, cause them the war we abroad. Cause every corner dark again. Not even car park, nobody can park again. And we nice pretty beach, nobody can walk again. Peer whispering, nobody can talk again. Or else the dogs, them back off of them. No damn me know no loody, every laughter end. Only funeral I keep with the pastor them. Every little you know want a back 10, cause that's the new trend.
few minutes away from a conversation with the general himself. Yeah.
Wow.
In the meantime, I want all the ladies to want to loosen up that waistline for me, right? Yeah. He was in town just a couple of weeks ago at the Tabernacle. Trinidad and Tobago is out in force, y'all. Whenever Kess and the band roll through, you know, it's going to be a Trini fest. Yeah. And the ladies are out.
I missed that. I shouldn't have missed that.
Yeah, listen. Shame on us.
I know.
Shame on us. I wasn't there either.
The Tabernacle, man.
I don't even know what I was. But, you know, shame on me.
Yeah.
Shame on me.
Yeah.
But big up to everybody who made it out to the Kess show. You know, Kess doing it majorly.
No, yeah.
Tabernacle ain't the regular little.
No.
Tabernacle in Atlanta is like,
Yeah.
That's like them big stars.
You go there, you show off.
Yeah, man. Brand new music from the man Kess. This one is a banger, yeah.
Come, wine, give me banga. Baby girl, I love how you thunder. Me and you alone, I go banga. So come, wine, give me thunder. Hey, yo, I miss you from the time you went away. Baby, I love never felt this type of way. Hey, yo, when you give me that wine, it's about the way you got know your fire, baby. When you talk about divine, yeah, only you got the thing I desire, baby. But look how you love it, come back again. Make me feel some type of way. Sending a message straight to me brain. Sing like the Bamba day. And anytime you come around, I'll be the one to give you love. You know I must come back. All I want you say, come, wine, give me banga. Baby girl, I love how you thunder. Hey, me and you alone, I go banga. So come, wine, give me thunder. Hey, yo, say give me all your love tonight. Yeah, give me. Girl, you got that thing that's so divine. Me and you go hunger here tonight. We are go hunger here tonight.
Kafu Bantan. Yes, Boko Big.
He goes by the name of Kafu Bantan, y'all. We taking it to Panama. We taking it to Panama, y'all. He says, no amigos, no friends.
Aye. Me don't want to be your friend, I don't want to be your friend. Me don't want to be friend, none of them. Yo no quiero ser tu friend, tú no quieres ser mi friend. Con los amigos que yo tengo estoy bien. Me no trust none of them, so you not see me again talking and standing next to them. Esos manes no están bien falso, amigo de quién, de mí no porque no les sigo su game. Así de sencillo, son pocos los que confío. Amigos nunca hemos sido, poco de mal agradecido. When them bad mind them a see you, bad energy them a give you. All the good for them a bad for you, but them can't take away what God give you. Me no want to be your friend, I don't want to be your friend. Me no want to be friend, none of them. Yo no quiero ser tu friend, tú no quieres ser mi friend. Con los amigos que yo tengo estoy bien. Me no trust none of them, so you not see me again talking and standing next to them. Esos manes no están bien falso, amigo de quién, de mí no.
The rhythm is called Out the Box. It's the Out the Box rhythm.
Yeah.
So we got Kafu Bantan representing from Panama.
Yeah. In tune bad.
We'll bring it back a yard. We'll bring it to back a yard. Yakster on the rhythm.
Come on!
On the rhythm. It's Island Heat, y'all.
You away. Pins the bike, but we are playful. Chicks got the gliss with the air. A bush party, I keep psycho with it. Up in the hills, not down on the strip. With a play, cabby than a drift. Be a lover spreading like a gun, but not leather suit with the zip. Cars of a chip. 3-wheel bike with a beast and a click. Empress level fit. Come a little miss. Me I forget your 876 in a bed. Yeah, we way, cool. Thanks to pay, but we are playful. Chicks got the glizzy, yeah, cool. From us every rule and play. Yeah, we way, cool. Thanks to pay, but we are playful. World team out with the air tools. Never lose the way, but they do. At the
me known for, but some I said we both see. I true them not know me. Answer, send me here to OG. I did the road.
We took him from Panama to St. Mary, right?
Yeah.
Out that country.
Man, like Yakster.
Now, hold on. We're not done with the rhythm yet. One of the baddest songwriters in Jamaica. When I change my talk. He goes by the name of Shano.
I'm the artist that.
This is the 7 series, y'all. Out the box rhythm.
Out there live life. Now live just until 5. Christian girl baptized. Backers right up to the sky. Yeah. 296 up on the dashboard. Who for stop me now? Who used to look down? Looking at me now. I'm shopping now. ATM 2 pocket now. The lengths about the Benz and in myself and chop it now. Watch me now. Banana youth I rock the boat. I stack the notes. To be the president we got the votes. So I'ma drop the house. Guess who me say? Rock the mouse. So wanna chop the mouse. I say for celebrate we have to dance. Hey yo. My Barbie shape like J-Lo. Teeth white like my Air Force. Never broke and let me pay out. Book a beer, put them on a payroll. My neck freeze, it stay cold. Then SSL, this I know you saying bold. Become my dogs, hey yo, make me hear my dogs. Yeah. I want just some calling niggas, my arm with chicas. Don't try my dad, trick my phone, the nigga. Sick with it, call me nigga.
From yard to the streets, island heat. From yard to the street, island heat. From yard to the streets.
Some heat right there, y'all. That was some heat. Out the box rhythm.
Yeah. I gotta get that rhythm.
Yo, listen.
Rhythm back.
You're in the right place. Because you know, this is Music Central. APAP Radio, y'all. Alan Heath Show. And we have got the star. The general has arrived.
The general is in the building.
The general has arrived. Ladies and gentlemen, born Omari Lawrence, artist hails from the parish of St. James, Jamaica. After nearly 2 decades in the music industry as a popular sound system selector, he turned to an artist, y'all, dropping his first album on all digital platforms on Tuesday, October 22nd, 2020.
During the pandemic, I remember.
Yes,
bad
indeed.
Bad tune.
His second single, I Wish, took off, gained traction all over the place, all over social media. He's known for his raspy voice, his witty lyrics, his unique perspective on subject matters not often discussed in Jamaican music. Ladies and gentlemen, joining us for the interview here on Island Heat Show for the first time, welcome, Bada General. Wagwan, Bada.
Wagwan.
That is it.
Yeah, see that? Yo, the man himself. Listen, Bada, before we get into the music, yeah, I want to discuss something serious, yeah? Because right now, the record is undefeated, only dropped points to Chelsea in the first game of the season, sitting in a good striking position. In second place right now, Liverpool FC doing their thing in the British Premier League. What you got to say about that, my brother?
Oh, there. I mean, it might be a surprise to many, but not a surprise to me and many of Liverpool's original supporters. You know what I mean? Cause we know what go on, so we don't go on and make everybody catch up, you know?
Exactly. Yeah, because we never walk alone. I saw the thing said.
What? Don't make me bust out singing.
Brother, welcome, my brother. Welcome. King Rudy,
Yes,
I'm going to let
sir.
you drop the first question for our special guest.
My first question, especially coming from a selector, myself, big up yourself, Bada General in the building.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I wanted to know about the sound system you played on before you kind of got into becoming an artist. And let us know what you think about the state of sound systems right now. How do you think sound clashes and the state of sound systems is going?
Okay, well, firstly, let me not even go no further without thanking you guys for having me. Because you don't know, we love them something. Yeah. But as it pertains to sound system, my band comes to my father with a big sound system still. So from the day my band, I automatically born into it. It's not a thing where I learn to do. It's a thing where I come like a band, because my father is a sound man. I have a big sound system before me even born. So it's a thing. You know, and them something.
Oh, yeah.
But the difference with my father really never want me play him sound. From me and youth, him always tell me if I go learn to read. And him like him feel like some can read. You know, and then the Jamaican parents, them are the one who I even do no homework with you and do no check by your work. I have a business about them. Just figure say me can't read.
Yeah.
I mean, what is it, man? I tell me every time when I try to play 2 songs, them and I say, you think I said, what am I read?
Right. So like a Jamaican parent for real.
Yeah.
Automatically, I realize say, give me the joy what I expect. So, we start look elsewhere and, become community sensation, because you don't know, we start playing a different people system in the place. We're born and growing and mobile in our place named Borg.
Mm-hmm.
So here we go now. After that, I bounce around the place, play enough little sound here and there, and I end up in the city, in the heart of the city, on a little gangster ends named Hard Street, Barracks Road, around a sound named All Nuts. Was a Rastaman sound, but I used to have a lot of Ninja Man dub plate and whole heap of cutty ranks and whole heap of thing back in them time there. And dub plate draw me because that kind of sound I want. I mean, this record 45.
Yeah.
Hear me and them thing there. But when me go there, like them lose interest. When me go at the sound them All Nuts, it's like them dip on the out.
Okay.
But why you them time them pieces, the owner of the pieces used to come borrow for them amps, them and them thing there. Because pieces was actually that in a piece of this, piece of that.
Is it more bass sound all over the place?
Yeah, reflect how everything started. You know what I mean? So it's like me used to always see the owner of the pieces come borrow the amps and 2 amps, 2 QSC, and them telling me as a little juvenile, I never know say QSC amps are heavy. And the original QSC, them heavy like lead, them telling them come borrow a 3,000, a QSC 3,000. I tell you say it heavy, at least it feel like about 60 pounds.
Yeah.
Believe me. I mean, one day them send me to go collect back the amps them. Remember I said, me no know say the amps them so heavy. I go around there and thing, and when I go around the pieces them side now, I realize that, say I have something for them.
Mm-hmm.
They kind of really like them go collect a thing, but then when I see the camaraderie and the thing around there, I see how the man them like a meeting them I have, and I say, yeah, something for them, But me a little youth them time, 13 going on 14, I go to boom and I ask the boss. I said, Daddy, so I want to come play a song. I said, so we don't want a selector still, kind of alright, we don't need no more selector. But me and myself, because in my head, I already master the craft of selecting and mixing without them even know something good like that for blend music to got it. Them time they just Stone Love and couple sound Inner City and couple sound of that sauce there.
Yeah. That smooth transition, the mixing and the blending.
Yeah, you don't even hear when the song change. I remember I have them things from me a little bit,
Yeah.
So me I said, in my head me I say, one of them knows I want me to bring towards pieces, so them don't have it over here.
Right.
I said, the owner bridge, and I said, no, him not really want no selector still. But when him drive off, the youth who was the selector at the time said to me, say, yo, don't listen to him. Come and work later. Play a cricket club. Come. Him don't know what, him just satisfied with me alone and play the song, but me need help. Come. So right there, so me get employed by pieces without the boss even employed. So, 1991, 92, 93, I play a song without no money, I not get no pay, I just go and dance.
Yeah.
Enough of these cassette with pieces versus jar and enough things where you probably out it. As a son, I used to select as a little youth. I not get no pay them time. I just do it just for do it.
Wow.
You know what I mean? Enough of historical piece audios where you probably hear when we and bass this and we and this and we and that and 4x4. But tell them I don't start getting no pay yet, my lad. But yeah, pieces was the sound now. I'm a giant 1990 as a little 13-year-old juvenile. And it's like, oh, everything even jump off. You know, the time them ask me if test the mic, like them I say, yo, somebody test the mic. I remember I said them know me can play a record.
Right.
Even though I not get the chance yet. Come stand up there wait for the bridge, you know, I tell me for forward name Corey, you know. I mean I wait for Corey for I say, come in, come learn the box and come learn the record them and see everything situated. You know me now quick for running, I wait. I remember him tell me for forward another boss. So
Right.
You know, I say, the virgin pass him, I say, yo, you can talk my microphone, test the microphone for me. Remember them don't know, say my life I got change and I was a little boy. I go, sir, audio testing, what? Remember say audio check 1, 2. Remember the man was, everybody turn around and I say, yo, who for
Hear the voice.
Yeah.
The magic voice was born.
You know, but them not know, you know. And then I idolize the virgin named Rory. So it's like audio check 1, 2, audio. Remember some have that luck as a little youth. They know them hear it and them say, no, bad. And one voice big someone and sound so. But then them don't know, say the first time I go around a sound when I say the mic volume has its own mid-range and tweet and bass.
Okay.
That's the first time I see that. So I say, wait, so we can turn up the bass for my voice. They know me give them turn up the bass, cover over the microphone with my hand. So even though my voice is big, it make my voice even bigger.
Yeah.
Remember, say me I talk low. I'm a turn up the microphone right to the edge of feeding back. And go so, that's when turn set. Man, what's saying about the money? And then the man them go find out so me can blend song together like the song them are on the same rhythm, me mix up smooth them time they come like the man I say, yo. That time the original say, yo, come learn the box. So my first go at it, you know, pieces sound of the first song can say. It was my first selecting duties, but at the first, like you go up on a Premier League team.
Right,
like
yeah,
first,
big so.
Transferred. I'm going to go to the team where I want to go to.
Right. Wicked.
I am more Salah over pieces, I don't know, so I'm going to be the star ball. Like. So I go so home now. And just wait my time. I remember my timing and everything, you know. So you know what, that is my first sound. Yeah, professionally, I can say, yeah, this is where it all started. When airport not seems so far from me and the world not seems so far, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Wicked.
So now.
Into the state of dancehall, yeah, I can't even compare because I just feel like we witness something in a full generation. Me have to wonder if I saw you ride them, they'd feel.
Yeah.
When this is happening in front of them.
Yeah.
Because we are witness changes and a lot of we don't know how to even deal with what's happening.
Right.
Because that was one of the main reasons why I stopped selecting in the first place. Because I just not enjoying it anymore. First, me just start seeing like I'm the old man in the party. Because everybody I play them pitch at. Every song is 120 BPM and me I come in and play it when me know a fed song.
Right. Yeah.
So my juggling seems slower than everybody else because me now rush me juggling. Me I play my song at least one verse.
Right.
You understand?
We can relate.
Yes.
So it's like me start going to the event and I start to you know what I say Froggy, who are going to the place and everybody up and let you the elder there. Remember, I said, I know respect still, but I said, me now I see a major on the elder because I bus long before, you know. And then the man see me, some of them are older than me and that style me up let you uncle,
yeah.
You know, me just get mad one of them. Yeah, man. I take on myself and something, okay? Nah, you know what I mean? I now get the same flame, the
vibe,
same fire.
Right.
You have a soul for it's just like it's not there.
Seen. But the music is still there, and so you had to find another form.
And that's why I tell you, I had to find another way how to contribute without have to being physically in the dance hall every night. And if you ask me, I think that a natural transition from a sound man is to be a producer, because that's just natural.
Yeah.
All our dancehall great producers are all sound system owners. And this is just a natural transition. When you become a popular sound, you have your popular label, you produce your song. It's just natural. So the natural thing was in 2010, me and Tarantula link up and started a record label named Mad Spider Productions, and rest is history. Froggy Mad Squad from Mad Squad and Tarantula the Spider from Poison Dart. So we put a thing together and we say, all right, you're the Spider, you're the Mad Youth. All right, we're going to name Mad Spider Production. And we put it together. But how it worked out, him start say it out of him mouth as a form of pushing the label. Them just start giving a thing. Oh, go on, Mad Spider.
Yeah.
So, you know, I see it up now, I can't do nothing about it, but we just load it and make it go on because it a work.
Right. Yeah.
But it was a collaborative effort with me and him still, you know, forward to get.
See, it's just like, you know, Vibes Cartel was a group until somebody ended up carrying on the moniker.
Oh, yeah. He spit for his brother, then he started doing it himself.
It was a whole group of people named Vibes Cartel.
Yeah.
But I just, you know what I mean? And as I said, we produce it. Once we do the first song, big up to Delly Rank stuff, put me on the first record, which is my production, of course. But me have an idea, I tell him the idea, and he said to me, say, yo, you know, you have a good voice, why you not do it? I said, no, dog, I said, artist business. And he said, no, man, try it and see if you like it. And I said, no, brother, you want to sing it, I give you the idea.
Right.
And he said, all right, here we go. Sing what you want me to sing, pan rhythm here.
Delly smarty. Delly know what I'm doing.
Real engineer.
He must say, yo, that me not delete that, me gonna use that. He must say, I don't want to read remember now a full song. We just do a little part of a song, and he must say, that bad, it sound good, me gonna use it. So you know what me gonna do? Me gonna put some part in the rest side, and me see him do a thing and split the vocals and put piece down and so, and flip through. I tell him I don't know what I do, but the man DJ around want me DJ, and the next thing you know, my first song and me and Delly Ranks in a combination. And then VP call and take it from me and give me a money. And I say, wait, money can make like so. I like
So your money was first off of a song, not off of dubplate voicing. It was really a song that really got you.
My first trial of any recording whatsoever, it was a song, actual song with Delly Ranks. Cause you know, me and Delly aspire them time that we still good and now same way. You know what I mean?
Nice.
And me and him aspire in the Florida at the time, and we are neighbors. So you know what I mean? And if you're there on Delly for half an hour, you have to sing a song or do an intro or do something music.
Yeah.
So he put me on. Yeah, he put me on that way there to make me try it. And it was, you know what I mean, great for my first song. I can tell you, say, me and Delly Ranks in a combination.
Yeah.
In Video Light, and I really named Basic Instinct and Tarantula. What thing was that? Ring up on your finger, me take you and take it out. Remember, I first try that as a producer.
Yeah.
And we can find that song. We can find that song. Did Delly end up releasing it?
Basic Instinct really, man, it release all about, man. Them tell us that the ball pass strictly the best 28 or
Yeah.
So we're here.
I remember that with him. Yeah.
Wow.
So because we got a couple questions in the chat room that I want to get to real quick. So somebody's asked, did Pieces clash Black Cat in ATL?
Yeah. They beat him up one night about Atlanta there.
Yeah. I don't remember.
I want to say that's at Fantasy Island, and many years ago.
Up at one place named Peacock, you know.
Up at the Royal Peacock. Yeah, the Peacock.
Okay. All right.
So you know something there. I mean, it forward at the dance there, too, man. Call them time me and me are the man. We rise, come be the man. And I fly every weekend. So me and him did forward up there. I mean, now I forget me use a Borough Bantan song me use, you know. Boom, this. Call them time the street sweep a clap.
Mm-hmm.
And we have the juggling them there. Run, come stand up in them thing there, you know. We get ridiculous power up at that place for them down there. You know? Yeah, and this was like 98.
Okay. Now, back on the artist side of things. The first time that I really took note of Bala General, right, is when I Wish dropped. And that just everybody right away. I was like, wait. And I was slow to really catch up. I said, oh, him not do something again. He's an artist now. I Wish went just viral, real big, real fast. You like as soon as you made that transition, instant success, brother. Right? Tell me what's the formula?
Instant success. It seemed like instant success.
Okay.
That was when I was already 10 years recording already.
Oh, okay.
So let me tell you something. Come out at 2010. That song come out at 2020.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you said seems like it seemed like you and Mad Spider were not friends. Like at first we thought that because any sound who would play a Battle General wasn't playing a Mad Spider. Like sometimes you all would be conflicting within a sound class, so people got to thinking that maybe they're not connected in this way. But you're saying you all had started a label together and then are bridging straight through.
We are bridging from before, when him start the dancehall thing. I was the first one to start pushing him song them. Once I find out that him make him own rhythm, I start say you make them. No, we have to do something. Come on, we can start a label because you know what I mean. But I'm a virgin to this day. Right now, we did so much combinations in the last couple of weeks. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Because now the sound see the same thing. I wanna say. I say, oh, so enough man come like once them voice bother them now voice Spider. Once them voice bother them now.
Yeah.
So you have some I call and wanna do some serious combination. Combination. Believe me.
Yes.
So tell me something now. When it go forward to the line of customs, who better, the General or the Spider?
To give him my honest opinion, you know, say he was first, you know. First naturally mean bother still, you know, because I mean him bother. But he was first. Yeah. And I'm going to hear that story, you know. You know, say one day the man just forward and me and him a reason. And him dep on. Yo, dog. Tired to make custom, you know. I take a break from this custom business, you know. I mean, I say take a break. Or you go take a break. I don't understand. Because he's a youth, him so talented. Just natural talent, like you wouldn't understand how talented him is. So I come like he get bored easily, right? Me and him a reason the day and him just tell me, say, I'm going to stop. And I say, stop? For what? And I'm bored, man. It's the same thing over and over, the same sound. Them. I know, I see the clash I keep, and I see 6 sound of the clash, and the 6 of them call me. I forgot voice for the 6 of them.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm bored. I'm bored, man. Yo, I take some time, man. I'm going to just give this a rest for a little while. I mean, I said, like, so what you going to do? What are you going to do? Remember, when he tell me that, at the same time, he must say, I got to write some song for some people here, man. And just sell some song and just write some song. And some of them boy I need to write already. He must say that, but he must say it so casually. It's just see, yo, this is tripping, man. But anyway, I'm going to go boom. And it's like, that very weekend, like him that tell me like the Tuesday. And by the Thursday, I get a call from Earth Ruler, which was my first custom dub me ever write. The Earth Ruler song. I get a call from Earth Ruler, Scorpion, them call me and them say, yo, I did Scorpion or Virgin. At the time, I don't know if Genius, I Virgin him Genius did play the sound or something. But when them call me and them say, yo, me just talk to Mad Spider and them say, take a break from custom, him not do no custom. You know if you do custom? Remember, I saw now me, I said, I mean if you know for it. I mean they run him, I watch him, I do it how much here now.
Yeah.
Wow.
I tried before that.
Okay.
So when they call me now and ask me that, me in return call him, and I said, Tarantula, you them ask me about custom. How it go? So he might tell me, say, do this. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3. He might tell me, say, yo, just.
Right.
And him walk. My first way how to do it. I do my first custom for Earth Ruler. I remember it never shell the place. But you call me back the man and say, yo, one thing what Spider do where you need to learn how to do when you mix it up them. Make certain say you load the rhythm down with the part which part. And I said, no, Terrence never tell me that part.
The punchline, yeah.
You know what I mean? Him don't get the essential part them what I need. Enough people probably feel me there I try to do what him do. Not knowing say he was the one.
I train you.
Basically, train me how to do it.
So he could get a break as well.
He took a break, and by him taking a break and saying to me casually that he's going to go write some songs. Remember, Tarantula write hit songs for so much different people. Win no much Grammys. So you understand me? So I am saying it's like I don't like him miss. He just give me an opportunity now because he was doing it. So I just full the space.
You did that very well too, very well.
Yeah, but
I step in and learn how to do it and start get good at it. By the time him tell me say, me see say him forward back into the thing. He's already gone already. You understand me? And him never yet call me one day and me and him talk regular. We talk about football because you know him a Arsenal and me a Liverpool. We laugh, we talk. We never have no bad vibes, no animosity. It's always the people them from the outside that try to seem like them just can't rate Bada General and rate Tarantula at the same time. You know what I mean? It's like can't rate Spice or you can't rate Ladies at the same time. Are you?
Right?
People say, yo, it sound like Stylo G. Okay, if you rate me, you can rate him to a 7.1 billion people in the world.
Right.
Why you trying to put we against each other?
True that.
Know, enough people always that try to put people against. Like if you like Beanie Man, you can like Bounty Killer too.
Yeah.
Just like you can like Jefferson too.
Yeah,
you know mean like you have to try to put them against each other. But me and him, luckily, we've been friends for so long. And me and him just laugh about these things. Like people are tripping, we all see something online or in a South Clash fraternity, or wherever them post. Yo, I will say, Bada General are the new custom king, you know. Yeah, if you be custom king, and him a China version of Tarantula. And because at the end of the day, I mean, people are going to talk. I always have this motto in my brain. I say, think about the song where you love the most. That is not offensive at all to nobody where you could have think about. And go on YouTube and look at it and see what people dislike that very song that you love. You know what I mean? So,
yeah, I had to point that out to somebody before myself. Yeah, man, it's true. You're not going to please 100% of everybody. I saw the thing up. Yep.
So from me realize these things, me look at it as when somebody, you know what I mean, like back in them time, when I first do I Wish in 2020, because we do money up first. My girl, if you want me rub your belly, send money to my money up and we get the bubblings.
Mm-hmm.
But then I said the song a bubble, but it now do what I want it to do. So I just drop I Wish and I Wish shake up the place. And you still have people who was trying to promote a different artist, but in the process, a bad talk, Bada General. I said, Bada General have no talent. I don't, the real people with the talent, someone now push. And them man have talent. I'm still personally not have nothing against them. Because I just know that some people stay, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but I really talk better.
But just I do my thing and hear the king. You hear what I'm saying about?
A lot of this was during the pandemic, though, especially I remember when those songs were released, we weren't really outside, so it wasn't like we were going to hear them in the club. So we got to listen to them, I guess, at home more than in the streets.
Yes, and listen, everybody was looking for something.
Yeah.
The artist them that was really, really established, wasn't really dropping no music because of the way how they know how to promote their music
Right.
is going.
They're trying to figure it out. This is all new
And
for them.
when you remember me coming in at the music in the lockdown, so that is my entrance.
Yeah.
And that is all I know. Is,
Right.
Okay, we're gonna hit them with music left and right, because people need something to listen to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But like a Beanie or a Bunty or a Caperton or a Sister probably reserve and I say, yo,
I know somebody do it. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, promotion.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So we need just a drop. Me drop enough little microwave song, me drop enough sound clash song, me drop, you know what I mean? Things about the topic. If something go on in Jamaica, me call Liquid, we just do music.
Yeah.
And we're busy and keep the things, people them entertained in
Yes.
that time.
Yes.
In at the time now, me think blow up over TikTok and me up like a whole heap of something go on, but within social media space.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, where it was a little bit harder was to transition from social media to the real world where when people are less interested in what's going on online. How do you get these people to engage in your music? Engage in your music.
Yeah.
So what I do is now I just start get more serious with my custom dubs. More, you know what I mean? So even if 50 million man a drop song, me know say from a clash keep, you go hear, oh there!
Yeah.
And it go bust the beat, and it go pull up and it go play back. So you call me tomorrow, I'm gonna post my video, I get the biggest forward for the night, and a man just call me and say, yo, brother General, me nah lie. I hear your song last night, I get the biggest forward for that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's how the thing go.
Many times.
Bada General is with us right here live on Island Heat. Bada was a few minutes late to the party. You know what I mean?
That's
So,
all right.
so you know, we're gonna try to stay on time with the rest of the program.
You don't know what's that at ya. Fashionably late, my going.
Yeah, you don't see him in a studio too. Can't voice all the dub.
I record one song and but it reach a one part where I really couldn't come here and say, yo, the way I'm vocal, I try to hold a little note. I remember I don't sing, but I try to get it good, you know, like the what I need to say and how I need to say it. So I don't a little part, you know. But yeah, man.
Massive Crew, the man himself, Bada General. Bada, tell everybody how they can follow you, how they can contact you. Make sure they tell them all of your streaming platforms, everything where they can contact you and get your music.
Well, first and foremost, I am on Instagram most of the time. And I mean, my Instagram buzzing too. Now, like from one day, them give me the run. I'm at a nice. Them I say, may I reach 13 million. I get and it's a month, and that is like real big deal for me. So I'm over there. So more or less, if you need, you know, there is information on my bio as to the number where you call for booking and dub plate. I'm up on Facebook, Omari Lawrence. My good, nice, sexy, pretty name of my parents. Give me. Yeah, so you just go over there and search for Omari Lawrence, or you search for Bada General. Anyway, you go and once you put Bada General in a Google. Believe me, my phone number come up. I try it myself and I realize I did it.
Boom.
So
See that?
You put Bada General, you get my Spotify, my Apple Music, my Tidal, my Amazon, my everything. Because all my songs are out there and all major. All the one they want to measure yet.
Yeah, yeah. Let me tell you, one of the hardest working people in the game. The man is prolific. My WhatsApp is buzzing every day. But yo, we need some feedback. Oh, listen to this. Tell me about this.
You can testify for how hard I put in the work. Cause enough time people hear 100 me really device, but so it go.
Yeah.
One or three of them breakthrough. But my voice, because me feel like me start late as an artist. I catch up me a play.
Right.
Oh, a nice little legacy where my children and grandchildren and great grandchildren them can come and remix and do something. So we just have to do the work.
Yes, it's the right thing.
Right this second, you know.
Congratulations, by the General, on the great career so far. Much continued success to you, my brother.
Yes.
I want everybody who's listening right now to go and subscribe to his channels. Go and purchase.
Download.
Yeah, legal. legal download.
No, they can legally download from Apple Music.
Yeah, man. All of these things.
Yeah.
By the General, we're going to leave them with this one. Give thanks, my brother. We'll link.
Be blessed, General.
What's the truth? We left it for your next man. You go on like we can't be friends. All you have to do is wish me all the best, and we'll go with separate ways. You can't do that.
No, more wish when you drive out. Your car broke down. Front tire flat, spear you not half done. When you go out, we go look on the damage. The Almighty make a heavy rain come down. Me wish the man where you left me for left you next week for your neighbor. When you think of the worst thing that you find out same did a try for your sister. Me wish me never left the two jelly. When you drink them, me wish them run your belly. And the few little snapper on my buy. Me wish them spoil not even one you don't fry. Me wish I'm wishing. I wish things get bad with your living. Can call me bitter if you want. No man no fi reap it if I'm in plan. I'm wishing. Wish things get bad with your living. Call me bitter if you want. No man no fi reap it if I'm in plan. Me nah go wish you about no all the best.
Yes, indeed, the man, brother General. Big up, brother. Give thanks for the past, my brother.
Wicked voice, wicked lyrics. Shell down enough sound clash.
Real talk.
Him not killing me yet though. I don't think nobody used him and killed me yet, but
and I'm not exaggerating when I say the man is busy. He'll get an idea, a concept, shoot your thing real quick to say, yo, take a listen, tell me what you think about this every day. Working. Ladies and gentlemen, we are well past the hour of 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we usually get into our Caribbean countdown. Real quick, we're going to shout out what's going on here on the Atlanta scene.
Yeah, bare little things are going on in the Atlanta scene. The Atlanta scene is buzzing. Gotta say big up to DJ Sir Lance, who just got married. Also gotta say big up to Father Cole Rice on his Earth Strong.
Yes, indeed. Larissa Phillip, big up yourself. Yeah, representing Quicksilver Sound. Our friend on the scene doing her thing. Everly Rose celebrating her birthday as well. Deborah Jones, big up yourself. And Kathy celebrating her birthday this week. So big ups.
Yeah.
On the Atlanta scene this Sunday. It's all about the Escape Sundays.
Yeah, and so they're going to have TJ in the place to be on October the 1st.
Watch out for 1996, which returns on October 21st.
All right, and Stephen Marley with Mike Love will be at the center stage in Atlanta on October 22nd.
Then weekly, we've got the Way Up Wednesdays. We've got the Gal Farm Thursdays at Calabar and Grill.
Mm-hmm.
Rum Punch Brunch goes down each and every Sunday. Memory Lane Sundays at Premier Lounge. And, of course, you can catch Caribbean Runnings on WRFG 89.3 FM every Friday from 2 to 4 p.m. Red Carpet, Shelly, DJ Passport, and myself. So you want to make sure, you don't miss out on that either.
That's right, Massive. Like we said, we are inside of the second hour right now, so we just got to welcome each and everybody who may just be checking in to Island Heat, where we give you the best from yard to the streets. Here we feature some Caribbean music, culture, and topics from all around the globe, especially Caribbean culture. So I'm sitting in right now for Lady Lalabella, so big up yourself, Lady Lalabella. It's King Rudy in the building.
Alongside Super Beck.
That's right. And in this next segment, we're going to give you the countdown of the hottest tunes by Caribbean artists that are actually based here in Georgia right now at this time. So saddle up and get ready for the Island Heat countdown. What you got for him, Peck?
In the number 10 position this week, this is the man Vibrate. This song drops a couple of spots this week into the number 10 position, but still holding strong on the countdown. Vibrate, Pressure, number 10.
One mission to the world.
One mission.
No secret. None of them girl no better than you. If a girl want take him and tell her keep him. Girl, the body they a pressure. Looking at the mirror, all your bumper big so. Well confident, you not have no issue. Well prominent, you not have no time for mix up. Any man will get you, well them have to miss you. Looking at the mirror, girl, and take a picture. Pretty pon the gram, pretty pon the Twitter. No need no filter. Girl, you look look so goddamn fine. I would like to make you mine. Every time you cross my mind, make me tell you one more time. Pressure, 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 girl, you are pressure. Pressure, 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 girl, you are pressure. Pressure, pressure.
Vibrate right there. Vibrate in the number 10 position with Pressure this week.
That's right, y'all. Coming in at number 9, we got Vibrate, the One Mission Boss, once again with Investments.
Yeah. You know what's going on. Every ghetto youth wants some investment. Stacking up the cheddar where you expect then. Hold on. Pocket off it thicker than Samantha. If I no money call, tell them send me not answer. Make some big moves, investments, me not shatter. Me tell me manager, me not go turn no gruff neither. Stacking up the paper, climbing up the ladder. Get the family together, oh you mean my brother. This are the new revelation, the next generation. I feel elevate and make some money, you don't know this. If you get to you, them want rich. Stinking rich, I must see that shh. Me tell my mother, say we go rich. Bang teller, bang teller, bang teller. Running at the bank, teller.
Once again, in the number 10 and number 9 position this week, what one? Investments.
That's right, y'all. The one we got here at number 8 spot, we got the one DeMarco, keeping it consistent. This one is called So Much Hate. Check this one out.
Jah fi show me a sign and him clear the vision with the cloud. Dog got so much hate they run me. Dog got so much hate they run me. Put my trust in a friend and enough of them woulda ground me. Dog got so much hate they run me. Dog got so much hate they run me. Them want me dream for damage. And some people savage. Left them in the past or airport. That's how we deal with baggage. Show the love for the music first, then me see the cabbage. The way how me measure success is when me leave with knowledge. Me try to show me friend them off and make the cheddar, make the cheese. Them rather dip on the ends and beat the chalice. Rather be the millionaire than figure be the gallus. Me see friend a beef with crutches. Me ask Jah to show me a sign and him clear the vision with the cloud. Dog got so much hate they run me. Dog got so much hate they run me.
A brand new entry, DeMarco with a brand new entry to the countdown right there. So Much Hatred. This one is this is a message in the music, yeah.
Yeah, he know how to ride those type of rhythms. Perfect rhythm for DeMarco. So Much Hate coming in at the number 8 spot. And coming in at the number 7 spot, we got DeMarco again, y'all. John Crow. This one is called John Crow.
You hear that? You hear that? Man a dirty old Janko. Every day another gal inna the condo. 14 parish every go and every angle. But na the be man a Bronco. Nana money at the convo. Real top like Anjo. Every gal a ball up we make a dancer. Roll with a mish deck. Dancer. Send me up. Top gal is dog, we no similar. Still in for me clean dog, watch a image up. Real Jankro, dirty hot Jankro. World class dog, we no big enough. Real star boy, check any cinema. Real Jankro, dirty hot Jankro.
DeMarco, once again, that Jankro song's been doing big things since it released, man.
Yeah.
I tell you, in the number 7 position this week, DeMarco. Jankro.
All right, well, coming in at number 6, we also got DeMarco once again. This one is called We Did It, featuring the one Joshi.
If them not go, the youth them authentic designer, man, now we you cannot find a China. And then we go when we part with that more stripe than tiger. Ready to pay the gal them while I beg gonna buy some primer. fi strike the light. Yeah, me do it for them like a night me sign for. Them see the place a shell, but not the like a ice. Them never believe in our way, so we show them. Life and my style, them so golden. No fear them, no mind, yeah, they troll them. Surprise, but we rise, cause we chosen. We did it, yeah. We did it, yeah. We did it, we did it, we did it, yeah. Ain't no limit, yeah. Hey, yo, Josh.
She know say I do it fam, turn them to believer. Born hustle, I go ask Jubilee that. Cook it not the teapot, take it to the street. No looking at the media, mo put it not the speaker. Couple G stacking on my Louis V bag. Couple they have put ready for do with me chat. Young go get
the voice of Joshi and DeMarco right there coming in with We Did It.
Yeah, wicked piece of tune. Joshi did his thing on that as well. And right now coming in at the number 5 spot. Before we get to the number 5 spot, just remember we had Vibrant with Pressure at number 10. We had Vibrant once again at number 9 with Investments. We also had DeMarco coming in at the number 8 spot with So Much Hate. DeMarco again at 7 with Jonkro. And at the 6th spot, once again, alongside Joshi, DeMarco gave us We Did It. Now we have coming in at the number 5 spot, we got the one Spice. Dancehall Queen.
She said, jealous.
Jealous because I'm killing them. Oh yes, I am killing them. Jealous because I'm killing them. Oh yes, I am killing them. La 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 la. I don't have no problem with nobody, no drama. Only happiness, a full stop and no comma. La 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 la. I just focus on my tala. Me no falla dancing on my hobby. Moving my body and me whining 'cause me happy. Happy. Me no flabby. When you see my body, you feel slappy, you feel grabby 'cause I'm living happy. Me tell them, oh yes. Who no like me, I couldn't care less. Me a dance 'cause me happy and blessed. Me no inna no drama, no mess, no inna no stress. Jealous because I'm killing them. Oh yes, I am killing them.
That's right, y'all. That was Spice at the number 5 spot with Jealous. Now coming in at the number 4 spot, we got a next Spice. What we got for him, Super Peck?
This one is Spice Marley, y'all.
The great Polofin. Angela. Yeah, man. Well, I give thanks to the Most High God. I declare only good things in my life and I denounce anything that's bad. Yeah, man. Sila. Our Father who art in heaven, thank you for everything I was given. Pray that my sins will be forgiven. Multiply my blessings 10 times 11. I bind up every tongue that speak against me. I beg you wash me from my head to feet, you cleanse me. Every day I tell them that the Lord defends me. Fight against all those who fight against me. Because here I am, the one that overcame everything that was meant to put me down to shame. All of my enemies fighting in vain. 'Cause I walk with the Spirit of God that proclaim. I beg you, Lord, don't leave my side. Journey with me on this earthly ride. You heal my pain every night that I cried. Under the shadow of the Almighty God, I abide. You are God that lead me, I keep me. My God that lead me.
That's right, y'all. That was Spice at the number 4 spot with Spice Marley. Wicked piece of reggae tune. Now we're down to the top 3.
In the number 3 spot, once again, it's the Queen of Dancehall, Spice with Queen of Dancehall.
Welcome to dancehall in a Jamaica. Body rider, mesh marina. Big gold chain and me chaparita. Queen of dancehall, me the back up in ya. Diamond stacks, big up every skanker. Weed a crush up in a palm with 5 finger. Magnum in a me hand with me ear bright color. Body a bounce like ball. Me a the queen of the dance hall. Bounce up a body pan the ground like ball. Me a the queen of the dance hall. Body a bounce like ball. Me a the queen of the dance hall. Bounce up a body pan the ground like ball. Me a the queen of the dance hall. The queen back pan the throne coulda never be the throne. Body lift up like Joan, titty stiff up like cone. Play with the light phone of me black skin tone. Me a bounce up me body, but this girl inna the zone. Body cock up inna this, 'cause me de back up inna this. Your man a jack up.
That's the Queen of Dancehall right there. Number 3 song on the countdown this week. Spice doing her thing, y'all.
Yes, it is. And coming in at the number 2 spot, a name that has been called all summer long, the one Jada Kingdom, IDGIF.
Yeah. Twinkle. You're listening to Crossroads. You want my nana, nah get none. Pretty girl love money, run some funds. Want my can't get none. Bad girl love money, send that come. You must be stupid, don't even flirt with me. What you doing? Me not interested, keep it pushing. Come out of my face and give me some space. A little bit too enough, you don't chat to me. I was so, don't make my song them gas you, cause this is a brand new motto. My too good for my past, and I know this game too well. But know that's my legs, them new must spread. Can I get none, so go to hell. Rather lay down and self. A win is a win, me a bust my nut, cause I'll be damned if I let you look for me, then look for you. I really must crack you, sit down and spark up, yeah. You're free for carry me out. Give me money and buy my stuff.
Jada Kingdom, y'all. Jada coming in the number 2nd position this week on the countdown with IDGIF. Or, well, 1F, excuse me. So let's recap the top 10 songs so far. We've had Vibrate in the number 10 position with Pressure. We've had Vibrate once again in the number 9 with Investments. DeMarco with So Much Love. Then DeMarco once again in the number 7 position with John Crow. Number 6, DeMarco with We Did It featuring Joshi. Number 5, Spice with Jealous. Spice once again in the number 4 position with Spice Marley. Spice has a hat trick right there, 3 in a row. Right? Yes. With the Queen of Dancehall in the number 3 position. We just heard from Jada Kingdom with IDG1F, and in the number 1 position for the 7th consecutive week.
The ladies are having their way globally with dancehall. We have Jada Kingdom once again alongside the 9. This one's called Turn Me On, you all.
I can't ignore it. I will bless you if you're I know you just want my good. To them other girl give you when you want it. You have a vibe and I can't ignore it. I will bless you if you're working for it.
Anytime you're ready, girl, just say the word. Top 3 and the second I
Never. No sir, not me. Me ain't got no time for them energy.
My girl, why pre? Come here, just wind up your body.
Me gon' need a break, and if you want to show me out, you gon' need a break, it come a goodly break, yeah.
We can stop each chatting cause that turn me on. Turn me on, turn me on.
Need a real nigga now, not no phony. I'm a number 1 girl, me a trophy.
Let me know, yeah, let me know, say this is what you want. Let me know, yeah, let me know, say me alone and laugh.
Me go pick it up and drop it like enough is not enough. If me make it get my then you know you have to go.
Me and grab it. Slap it up and make a little snap. Cock it up and set it good and then you throw it back.
No sir, not me. Me I got.
There you have it, y'all. Jada Kingdom. Jada. Move my heavy.
That's right, y'all. That is the official Island Heat countdown. Remember, those are artists that are currently based in Georgia right now.
Now, we're going to talk to somebody who is not based in Georgia. In fact, she's based in Yard right now. You know,
mashing up every stage that she is on.
She doing her thing, y'all.
Wow.
Her name, if you're not familiar, get familiar. Because if you're not up, if you don't know what's up, what's going on, you might be lame.
Yeah, you're lame.
You're
lame.
Her name is DJ Naz, y'all.
That's right, DJ Naz, girl power.
All I want, girl, is to prove to me, baby, know you're not left. Always with me regardless. Mind content with me now stress.
All I need, boy, just tell me the truth, you may not vex it. Me not get your body, you may not. As me wake, you may start text.
Turn the light on, let's make love to the rhinestone. Looking in your eyes, Naz, make me know you're the right one.
If I got you, I don't need the world.
All I want, girl, is to prove to me, make me know you're not left.
As long as she's got That's all she want.
Yeah, this is my song still. I love this song until I saw the video and I was so jealous. But this song is still a wicked song still.
Ladies and gentlemen, joining us right here, live and direct on the Island Heat Show. She is a staple on the Jamaican sound system landscape for over 10 years. DJ Naz is one of those ladies who has built for her a reputation, a name of she's building a queendom.
Yes.
One of the top disc jockeys on the juggling and clash scene in Jamaica. Welcome, DJ Naz, to the program. How you doing today?
Yo, you can hear me?
I can hear you.
Yeah.
Loud and clear?
Loud and clear.
Hey, what's up?
Pick up yourself.
So,
before you even start questioning me, what you jealous over though?
I mean, you see the man I get rubbed down on the video. Did I say, yo?
The man they jealous over you. What you do
that? I don't know how do you do it between DJing, hosting, the engineering work you do. You're a mom, a recording artist. How do you manage to do all of this on your busy schedule?
It named survival mode. No, we really and truly, I don't know how to do it. Sometimes I ask myself the same question. So how you do all of this? You know? When I look back, sometimes you have to look back and say to yourself, so you do this, because sometimes you're surrounded by some people who make you feel like you're not really do nothing. Sometimes you have to reflect back on the things them where you do and big up your damn self, your own self. We can say that,
right? We're not going to say too much more than that one. So now, how did you get started in the music? Because I first know DJ Naz at the DJ side, the selectress. So how did you get started in the music?
Well, the selecting part of it, how that started out now, I always wanted to be a studio engineer, because I love music like that. My mom is an artist, my father is a producer, Joy White. So my music.
Hold on, I'm sorry, hold on. She said it so
you can't brush over the history. You can't brush over the
just so easy.
The royalty,
right? So Joy White, because if they don't know the name Joy White, they know the song First Cut. The first cut is the deepest.
Dread out there. My father was the first manager for Bob Marley, so the music thing naturally coming out of the blood. It already. I wanted to be a studio engineer first. I love music that much. And so I wanted to know how to create it, because, especially when you hear certain rhythms and certain songs, I was inspired by people like Missy Elliott and Busta Rhymes and Aliyah. Them people, that was my people growing up. You understand? So me used to always be like, yo, I want to make them beat and I want to do them something. We used to keep concerts and knock down desk and them things. You understand?
Yeah.
So it really started from there. And then I wanted to be an engineer, and so I did a course here. With Dan McDowell, big up Dan. And I was placed at a studio. But you already, you're female, then the man them world, them go like them want to try pass their place. And me face the another man, I say, never ever But I say, yo, all I want to go, you see it? Me get more at studio one day. So me I tell them, I say, yo, can't mix music. And
right.
I never that become here so far. You understand? So from a longer time, I never have no manners. You know it already. So, no, because people always say it to me, I make sure to tell them say I chew them at all. Because they talk why I don't have no manners. But anyway, so we started out doing that. I wanted to apply for LA Records. We don't know how I reach them, but I get brochure and everything, so I sign up. And then some female selectors in my area now, that was Meadowbrook, link me and say, yo, you can't be a sound engineer. I mean, I say, yo, outside engineer different from inside engineer.
Right.
You see me, but take it up same way and say me I gotta deal with it. Even though we never know much about the outside engineering, you know, that to me so like why I make sure I say this so good and blah
Right.
blah.
Yeah.
So every time them I go rehearsal, they know say me dead there. When that thing say me I'm supposed to be an engineer, well I mix long time. Mixing it just come so easy. When them I try mix 2 bar, me I say, oh now they just go so 1, 2, 3. When you go so bop, bop, bop on the 4 bar.
4 bar and go. There you go. Mats.
Yes, if that time pour them now understand nothing. I was not a good teacher. But this name Kevin, back in the day, he usually help you out and them thing there and Pablo, rest in peace. You understand? The way I did love it, me used to go Bembe every Thursday from 5 o'clock.
Mhm.
Yeah, me jump on something and me reach a Bembe with me CD them. Cause them time when I have laptop, a CD pouch.
Mm-hmm. This
You
was about what?
understand?
This was 2006.
Why me can't remember to a long time? I me say, I'm from like what me say, me do Iron King Green Synergy 2000 and I think 8. The first one was 2007, but never get through. But I think 2008 normally did pass a level. So somewhere around about that time there.
Okay.
Until so I used to go there every day to go practice. Cause you know we don't have our own console and everything there. I love the nice. You see me? So I used to go there go juggle from early. See when me look up, me see people in at the party say, come like me was the warm up person.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they say them I the story them long, I can write a book.
Did I hear you say that these were some female selectors that brought you into the game?
Yeah, Chemical X at the time. They
Chemical
were doing
X.
it before Juba, Spliffy and some whole heap of more girls. The whole of we used to par. We used to go Bembe every Thursday. Yeah, that thing say we come with the sound. 100 girls that we are par with the selector. See me? Till Bounty Killer say my give we a run from Bembe Thursday. Yeah man.
Okay.
We split in two. So the first set of girl them juggle first and then we juggle after. May I tell you, them video them me delete them. Now I see about them video there. Yo, me don't could have cuss bad word, so me cuss. Yo. You can't know because bad word. I want to see them time. Bryce, them all keep eating. Hear them now? Oh, we don't want no more sunshine in the business and no more girl who sound like man. Cause you know, say you scream up and your voice so like them in a month. Okay, a male dominated business, them claim. You see me? So they claim. So you don't know that we go through a whole heap till the girl them give up, but we never give up. You see me? So that's why I'm there right now, so no, cause we never give up.
The last girl standing.
Yeah, just want to be with it.
Girl power. I mean, and you've been doing it with some great success. I mean, getting sounds of greatness.
I'm gonna start. I don't think I reach the level I want to reach yet, in terms of places where I want to go and how I imagine when people reach out to you for do business. I don't think I reach this because Jamaica really have a mentality like them expect everything must be free. I don't know if it's still push back today.
No, that goes around, you know. That goes around like a pandemic. You can't catch it.
And that kind of leads me to a question I had too, because
listen, one time I used to feel like I have to do it. No, I just don't even give a. You see me? Me not even care. Like, don't if you're not, me care.
If there's no business, then there's no business.
I can't go and throw water in my tank for move. So
Right, exactly. That's a business transaction. Money's gotta flow. Otherwise, there's no go without the flow.
It does, but as a selector, I know she know that some of us selectors are very pocket pinchy. So you have to deal with, the selector side would never want to spend no money, the stone owner side, and then you have the business side.
The business side. Right now, which part my thing there, I feel some work hard enough, I inspire a whole heap of people, I'm good at what I do. So right now, if I'm gonna link my phone and him not negotiate, my bread and butter go, him not for bother link me, I'm good over here, so. You get me? I say, me sell bag juice and
She's got a real hustler mentality.
Yeah, and great on the marketing. Her marketing is excellent. Marketing is excellent. You present yourself as a top class entertainer. So I love the vibe. I love that you're not taking nothing less because that's what you present. So keep doing your thing.
Now, she was very humble a little while ago when she said she doesn't feel that she's reached the success.
Yo, look how much songs she killed, bro.
Now, because, how many songs has he?
Oh, my goodness.
As far as I know, in Jamaica right now, you are the #1 song-killing female selector.
Well, that was your opinion from the outside. Love them own. I'm not afraid for that. They don't love them own. They wait when they feel like a reach. Wow, like you never.
Well, we're here giving you the spotlight right now and giving you the flowers right now. I let the world know what's going on for DJ Naz.
What do you want, DJ Naz? As I pray for you, are you praying for us to bring the sound up here, or do you want to come up here as a performer? How do you want to? What is your main wish right now?
Listen, I want to get booked as a selector. Where not only sound clash, but my juggle party and them thing there, and with a love for also come as an artist. Wow.
Yeah.
You put in the work.
Yes.
You see the song that sound good. You know have voice, don't play them. You understand? We have more. And don't forget the majority of the thing them and me produce them myself. You understand?
Well,
so,
I'm gonna give them
science.
I'm going to give them a little piece of the hustler mentality right now because that right now for me is the DJ Naz anthem. It tells you everything you need to know about DJ Naz. Right here, live and direct on the Island Heat Show, yo, APAP Radio. We doing it big, ATL to the universe.
Hustler mentality. Hustler mentality. Hustler mentality. Girl, anything me can get me go without. And anything me can't afford me do without. Do it for the love, me not do it for the clout. And I be a money spend when the whole team out. If you can't buy a cranberry loud. This we are on the place if you don't notice. Big fat me my we are floating. We not hype in a market, stand a second hand. Born by myself, so me not beg no friend. With the strength. We don't need a friendship if we have a bed. What we say? With the strength. Stubborn from me man, so me move on me move. For the hell of the father, you know me can't lose.
She said, with the help of the father, she knows she can't lose. And that she knows it.
Mad.
Yo, DJ Naz, hustler mentality, run it upon them one more time. I want to them.
Hustler mentality. Hustler mentality. Anything me can't get me go without. And anything me can't afford me do without. Do it for the love, me not do it for the clout. And I be a money spend when the whole team out. If you can't buy a cranberry loud. This we are on the place if you don't notice. Big fat me my we are floating. We not hype in a market, stand a second hand. Born by myself, so me not beg no friend. With the strength. We not need a friendship if we have a bed. What we say? With the strength. Stubborn from me man, so me move on me move. With the hell of the father, you know me can't lose. No for criticize when they see me I go through. And them could walk a mile in my shoes. So anything me can't get me go without. And anything me can't afford me do without. Do it for the love, me not do it for the clout. And I be a money spend when the whole team out. If you can't buy a cranberry loud this. We are on the place if you don't notice. Big fat me my we are floating. We not hype in a market.
Yeah, yo, money I spend when the team step out. You mean? No doubt. DJ Naz, us right here live on the Island Heat Show.
DJ Naz, how do you think the music industry is going right now in Jamaica? You know, it's kind of leaning toward this dancehall trap. Are you feeling the vibe, or are you more of an old school?
Listen, right now, music does nice, yeah, man. I mean, you can't compare to the old school because the old school will always be the more genuine thing where they start out. And I mean, that will always have a position where it can't dead. I mean, the music, I don't know, the music out here now, it kind of good and bad, but I mean, the people them where do it to enjoy themselves, who am I to have a problem with that?
Yeah.
That's what is what. Now, who have you been collaborating with you've got a couple of collabs that you made. Tell the people about the artists that you work with closely.
I don't really work with the artists closely, you know. I want to tell you, say, I do a collab. That's the song where they played earlier.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? And trust me, it was hell. You say it look, but it was hell. It made me be like, yo, I'd never do a collab again. Right now, if me I do a collab again, it have to be with somebody who bigger than me, man. When me know say, yo, them are carry the weight. And me alone I trade with it. Yeah, me not pretty top man. It's straight out there.
Well, DJ Naz, but you have all the links, because when you're sending out the dub links, we see you with all the biggest artists. So we thinking this could be the next collab.
In a real life, I never really think to reach out and bother the man yet in a real life. But I say, my next set of reading them, I'm going to start like reach out and say,
you see the professionalism?
Yeah,
you see
she keep it professional. We love that.
Because she's got the links to everybody.
They're the fools. What the artists I deal with, yo?
You know, listen, Naz, I want you, please, first of all, every time you have a new song to drop, would you come back to the show, please, and premiere it here?
Yo, my song one day, you know, me I tell you, say, boy, when I sit down and write that song, they grind me, you know, but I just owe me the feel because some people, they piss me off.
Yeah.
You see me? What I do, so my song now, I'm going to stay for now till I start feel happy in myself.
You say you're in a dark place?
Yeah, but then I feel like me and killer them and credit law them and them people like, I get up and say, I mean, if you listen to Hustler mentality, you know, me do it for the love, me not do it for the clout. You see me I say?
Mm-hmm.
And me ride up there, but me not show off. Me not show off, you see me? And them something there. But at the same time, me not get up and go up on Instagram and post about champagne glass and stack of money.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me not that right now. Really want to make it, so me not go. We just have to see what going on now. Because if you realize, you know, I put out a video the other day and I delete it, you know. I delete it after a couple of days because I said to myself, alright, we don't get that off of my test now. Load positive moving forward. We don't have mind and the brawling. You understand?
Yeah.
So, we go so now and I see, after I do that video there, you know, you see me not really get caught in the position like some of the female there because as I said, me not a manners.
Mm-hmm.
A boy try step to me, know me gonna diss him. So you know say right now in a industry, enough of them not gonna lie me because them say the first thing them say, oh she alright. Oh she not the manners. Them not talk, so them look up front and them something there and I try to stress you out. Them not talk.
Yeah, they're not taught that. They're not
you
taught
see
that.
the woman that come out and say, oh she have a squeeze. Next man for 2 song release, that will never be me.
Lord have mercy.
That will never. Let me tell you this. For the people them out there where no know what to do right now, hustle your money, buy a rhythm, pay your studio time, mix your song, pay somebody to mix it, put out your thing. A modern time now. You understand? A modern time now. You not have to sit down and hope for. And next man you are dead for hungry. Come style you, you're mad. I'm not talking about them the people, you know, I'm just talking in general, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? This comes for everybody right across the board. Time modern now. You can do it yourself. You understand? They come like, oh, me see some man there at the stoplight and I kill for white glass.
Yeah.
When the car come with wiper, I'm better. When it's the first Monday, you buy a bag juice. I rather stretch out my silver them and buy a bag juice. Me now ask Christ more than one day.
Hustler mentality.
Hustler.
You understand, people? Ladies and gentlemen, we are talking with DJ Naz Girl Power.
Dope.
She is a selector. She is a Song Clash winner. She juggles. She's a radio personality, a host, a studio engineer. She runs dub program. She's a recording artist, songwriter. And she's a mother all at the same time, doing the things. Salutes to you, DJ Naz.
Naz, you play instruments?
Is that only that, you know?
I'm telling you, it's a lot of hats.
I'm not a man, but I say, yo, oh, she do too much. I not too much, you know. But when we realize, as we may tell her earlier, when they reach out to people, they're not really helping you, they have to help yourself. So I so come enough and do so much things.
I love the message. It's a positive message, for especially for the young ladies out there who are inspiring to also go into the music industry. And you know what I mean? It is, as you said, they say a male-dominated. Right?
Yeah. Well, not anymore, but at one time.
But here come the ladies. Here come the ladies. Girl power to the world. DJ Naz, tell the people how they can link with you, how they can follow you, how they can purchase your music, all that good stuff.
Alright, so you can check out my music at 1rpm. You understand.com. The whole I sang them there right there, so 1rpm. Yeah? And you can follow my Vivo channel at DJ Naz Girl Power Vivo. So it's DJ NAZ GURL for the girl. You understand? And the I at the U for the girl. And from right across social media, TikTok, Instagram at DJ Naz Girl Power. You understand? Me have a new page, right? What we make the other day for YouTube now, for like my little play out them and when we do my little show them and them something there and when Naz Nation Wednesdays, it's Naz Girl Power and mixtape here. Same thing for the SoundCloud. That is good too much. Just Google me.
Just Google.
Can we get you in Atlanta? What do we need to do to get you into Atlanta? What's going on? We need you here in Atlanta.
Repeat?
We need you here in Atlanta. What do we got to do?
Just like how they need me in a Cayman, the promoter just book me.
Bookings.
Start up and ship me over there. I'm going to shell out the whole weekend and come back on my yard the Monday.
Boom.
You act like you don't know, you act like me going to go on a banana boat and yo, remember when that asked me when I reach, you know. Yeah.
That one there. DJ Naz, big up yourself every time, my sister. Give thanks for the energy.
Out there, I do dub play session, I link with almost every artist. You
Yep.
see me? So once you link me, I can make it happen, I can make it happen.
Yes, yes. She does great work. You can trust her. And you get the real song from the real artist. She don't deal with the splicing and the fugazi thing and all of these things. Yeah? She's legit.
You know what? Ask me a question though. What is a splice?
Boy, I tell you what, it's a mixture of a Sprite and
You know what that splice is as an engineer. We used to splice even your regular voice, but now people are splicing false voice.
I ask you no, you know, because that new AI thing will come out now where that program they can sound just like you. Oh, it go. Me not see it fully yet, but me
no, real talk. You know, I heard Biggie Smalls doing a Tupac song the other day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A Drake album, a stream. That's how it is. Music, catch up. Oh, it go.
AI Bounty Killer Dubs coming soon.
Oh, hell no. I'm not part of this album. Remove me. I don't know nothing about what he just said.
Me neither. My burning spare dub. Now go AI. Now go AI.
Let's cut me off my line.
DJ Naz, big up yourself each and every time, yo. Boom.
Everybody on the line, you don't know it already. Much respect and love, yeah?
What up? Everybody, that was DJ Naz, Girl Power, live and direct from Jamaica, tuning in right here with us. Y'all really follow the young lady. You know, I want to definitely say, in a definitely male-dominated, she is doing her thing, and you
Big
see
time.
she's a woman of principles, right? She's not dropping standards, dropping anything else.
No, not squeeze up, no feel up, no, none of that. None of that.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've gotten to the end of another program.
Oh, man.
Boy,
so
time
fast.
is flying. I want to just say, you know, I like to celebrate people's birthdays.
Yeah.
You know, give thanks for life, you know. So on September 24th, we had celebrating the birthday with J Boogs, Tidal, and Jermaine Fagan.
That's right. And on the September 28th, we had Charlie B. And on the 29th, Ding Dong, Rivers, and Aishana.
On September 30th, Nigger Kojak and Tines.
And finally, coming up in October the 1st, Yami Bolo. Have a birthday come up. Big time.
My name is Super Peck. My guest co-host today has been...
That's right. So blessed to be here. It's King Rudy. We love y'all, Island Heat.
peace, and love. Thank you each and every time. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share with your friends, all right? Don't be greedy and keep it all to yourself, you know? Share the good stuff with everybody else. Mr. P, APAP Radio, the entire team, Lady Lalibella. We say peace, love. Take care of yourselves, y'all. Boop, boop, boop.
To them. Them never know say bad girl something. DJ Naz.
Naz Nation, I big up easy.
Yeah.
Them things about easy.
Bad so. All the choppings go.
If a boy ever test, what we tell them? Where it go?
One shot. Vanish up. They call Annie board vanish up.
Island Heat Caribbean Show. APAP Radio. Keep it locked. From yard to the street. APAP Radio. Keep it locked.